फातोड्ड्या नेहरू स्टेडियमावेली FC गोवा आड एथलेटिको कोलकाता मॅच दोनूय वट्यां पेजाद जाली. पयल्या हाफांत सांतोसान गोल करून गोवाक 1-0 लीड दिल्ली. दुसऱ्या हाफांत कोलकाताच्या केविन लोबोन 2 गोल करून मॅच जिखून दिली. होम ग्राउंडाचेर FC गोवाक गोंयकार फॅन्सांचो मोठ्या प्रमाणात तेंको आशिल्लो. स्टेडियम जॅम पॅक भरिल्लो. कोलकाता परस गोवान चान्स चड चुकयले. 3 मॅचींनी FC गोवाची फक्त 1 पॉयंट जाला.
On this special night, we are in beautiful Goa, where Atletico de Kolkata are the visitors.
Yeah, they'll have a firecracker here, and why not? The people are delightful. They really do enjoy this celebration of Goa tonight. About it, Atletico de Kolkata have been one of the best sides in the competition so far.
You know, I think it's to be expected. It takes a lot to acclimatise quick.
And the crowd trying to get behind the side. They lost their previous home game, of course, by 2-1 against Chennai. Tremendous run from Fikru, and on he goes, and he's still posing problems. And he's going to have words here. And danger here, two in the area, big chance of the first goal. It is rattled into the net. It's a magnificent strike.
Angelo is onto it, Santos, John. Fantastic finish. Crashes it with his left foot.
Cavallo looking for that killer pass. Chunk of a fella, and he's got that one through, and that's a weak effort. This goes back to the previous incident, let's be honest.
Yeah, there's a foul there first, and I think
to get a card this time, isn't he? He's got to do well to stay on this pitch. More work to do in a minute. In there again, and it's not away yet. Offers delivery low, and has to be put out for consecutive corners.
ISLांत FC गोवा मेळिल्ल्यो संदी वगडायता म्हूण कोच जिको पेजार जाला. ब्रेस्तारा एथलेटिको दे कोलकातान FC गोवाक 2-1 मारले. 3 बऱ्यो आनी हातांतल्यो संदी गोंयान हे मॅचीत वगडायल्यो. इतले मजगती कोलकाताचो कोच आंतोनियो हाबासान गोंयच्या रॉबर्ट पिरिसाक मूठ मारली म्हूण जिको पिकार जाला.
Não existe essa questão de ser justo ou não ser justo.
There is not a kind of fair result. No.
Mas no momento que tivemos as oportunidades para
The
fazer
time that
o
we
gol,
had the opportunity to score the goal,
aumentar o placar, a gente desperdiçou.
increase the score, and we just
Três
wasted.
oportunidades,
And
claro.
they had the opportunity, clear opportunity.
O adversário é adversário
And the
forte,
opponent is a very good
adversário acabou se aproveitando de duas
They took advantage of the
decisões, não foi agredido pelo técnico do adversário.
When you listen, that one player of yours was like beaten by the other coach, the coach of the other
O
team.
Pires disse que levou soco do
Pires said
treinador
that he was
adversário.
punched on the face by the coach.
E eu acho isso lamentável.
So it is shameful.
Eu estou falando para vocês o que meu jogador me
So
falou.
I'm just telling to you what my players said to me.
Não vi, não posso
I didn't see
falar nada,
it, I cannot
mas
see that.
não acredito que o
But
Pires
I don't believe that Pires
chegue a esse ponto da vida
is
e
lying in this
ele
kind
não
of
vai
his
falar uma
life.
coisa que não aconteceu.
Is saying something that didn't happen.
So, in your home ground, you beat Goa FC. So, what's your feeling?
It's a great feeling for me, like coming home and playing with home team, Goa team, and we won. I scored the goals. Pretty happy.
After the match, something happened there. All the players and coaches they were fighting there in the tunnel.
That is football. Is in the pitches. 22 players. Is hot. No, it's normal. It's football.
इतल्याने खबरांची हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.